Hi, Matt Allington here, and it's time to talk backup. Now, if you spend a lot of time developing Power BI reports, then sooner or later you're going to need backup. There's nothing worse than doing a stack of work building out a lovely report and then either needing to roll back to a previous version because someone didn't like what you built, or maybe you made a catastrophic failure and you need to basically start again. So you're definitely going to need backup if you're responsible for building Power BI reports. I'm going to show you how I do backup. Okay, so here I am in File Explorer. I've got the sales reporting PBIX file. This is the file that I'm working on. And notice I've also got this PBIX file open. I've actually got it open for editing on my desktop. So the first thing that you need to know is that when you have your desktop file open, you can hit save here and then navigate back to File Explorer and notice that the date and time has now been updated. So this is at the time of recording, 4/16 on the 15th of March. So when I hit save on my open desktop file, that is saved to disk with the latest version. Now that it's saved to disk, the easiest way to do a backup is just to copy and paste this file. So Control C, Control V is one way of doing it. You can hold the Control key down and using your left mouse button, hold the left mouse button, drag and release. That's another way. So there's many different ways that you can duplicate this file. But importantly, I've taken a duplicate of this file at a point in time at the last time that I hit save. And now that I've done that, what I'd like to do is I come up here and just put a bit of text on the back. So maybe something like 2023-03-15, and then I might put a timestamp on there. Obviously there's timestamps here as well, but you might go and save the file again, open it and save it. So you're going to lose that timestamp. So I like to hard code the timestamp in here. And so this would be something like 16:10 or 16:15, something like that. So now I've got a permanent snapshot copy of my Power BI report as it was at that point in time. And by giving it a naming convention like this, the files will automatically sort in the correct order when you create incremental versions of this backup. Now, the other thing I like to do is keep this archive folder here because very soon you'll get a lot of files in here. So I just like to keep an archive folder. After I've renamed them, I just pick them up and drop them in that archive folder, and then I've got them for whenever I need them.